Hello there, welcome to this FreeUnlocks tutorial for today. We're going to see how you unlock your LG L3 phone. So let's get to the freeunlocks.com website and we're going to choose our phone. There it is, the LG, and it's called an Optimus L3 in this case. Once we've chosen, we click Unlock Now. And the Unlock Now button takes us to the next page on the website where we're going to need to introduce some more information. First of all, the country. The country where this phone is Peru, and the provider, the network supplier, is Claro. So we're going to choose those two, and once we've done that, we're going to need to make a choice. Are we going to pay for it on PayPal or some other option, or are we going to get it free using the TrialPay? Now we click on TrialPay here. We're going to show you how to do this. Once you arrive at the TrialPay site, you need to make a choice. You need to choose from many of the offers that are available to you there. The offer that we chose was the hotels.com website. This offer simply requires you to download an iPad application. In order to get that iPad application, you need to first fill in your details, put your name, your email address, and then you click on continue. Once you click on continue, you'll be taken to another input page where you have to reinsert your email address, and that will complete this part of the process. Once you click on send the link there, you'll receive an email address, and the email address that you receive, you need to click on the link. This will confirm that you've been accepted, but you have to you have to download the app, and then you have to put in your details. You have to create a login address, and once you've done that, you get an email from hotels.com and an email from freeunlocks.com. This is an example of the email, and you can choose to input the login and the password, or much better we felt was to click on the link or copy it to your browser, and once you copied it to your browser, then all you need to do is examine the order details and click on Unlock Now. So in order to get your unlock code, you need to insert the IMEI of your particular cell phone, and that IMEI can be obtained by opening up the Dialpad and clicking on *#06# to finish, and your IMEI appears on the screen. Then you need to type that IMEI number into the box, and once it's clicked in there, you can click on submit. It says waiting here, which means that we need to wait to receive an email from freeunlocks.com, and that email, when it arrives, gives you what you see in front of you, and there's the IMEI code, but also, this is the most important part, the unlock codes. Now the first code is the one we want, that says NCK, which is the network unlock code. So we have our unlock code, and now we're going to unlock our phone. Here it is, the LG L3. First of all, we're going to switch off the phone, and then we're going to remove the SIM card, and then we're going to turn on the phone once more without the SIM card, which will enable us to insert the code to unlock it. The next step that we need to deal with once the phone is switched on again is we need to click on the phone button or the dial pad, and we need to type in the relevant codes, which will give us the opportunity to introduce the network unlock code. So there we go, there's the button for the dial pad, and here's the dial pad coming up. Here we go. Now let's insert the numbers which you see on the screen: 2945 hash star 400. Right, next step, let's insert the unlock code into the phone, and inserting the unlock code, the network, we need to press the network lock button, and then the window opens for us to insert the number that we've received from FreeUnlocks.com. This number is not going to be the same on your phone, so there's no point in showing that to you in high definition. So we inserted the number, and we press the button to accept that number, and there we go, network unlock successful. The only thing we need to do now is to just assure ourselves that we've unlocked this phone, and we do that by inserting a chip which was not acceptable before in this phone, but now will be acceptable. So we're going to take this Giff Gaff chip on the O2 network, and we're going to insert it in our phone, and let's see what happens. So as you can see, the phone started up without any problems, and the Giff Gaff chips works, and we can prove that it works simply because Giff Gaff has sent us a nice message to confirm that the phone is now working with their network. There we go, and it's as simple as that. Just get onto freeunlocks.com and get your unlock code for your phone.